Am I the only one who just hate watching Jamaica play football? I can't be the only one. I can't. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Jamaica lost 3-1. What? Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there, say if you're new. Where do we begin? What the fuck was that? Please tell me what the hell was that? First 20 minutes, Jamaica not see the football. I just Panama alone amongst your own place. Why? How? Was that possible? You are the only one. You are the only team chasing the game because you need to win. But Panama bounce ball only. Why you not go foul the man and stop the ball game and try recruit the ball one way or the other? Why is it that Jamaica is sitting back in the first 20 minutes of what Panama play football? Jamaica didn't start pass the ball until Panama scored him second goal. You hear me out? Jamaica didn't start passing the ball until Panama scored him second goal. How's that possible? How in God's given earth is that possible, bro? You are chasing the game and you have Panama bounce the ball around the field like a them baby him a play. You know, you have your kid and your kid players are running him and bounce the ball around him. That's what Panama did this game, bro. What the living fuck did I just watch, bro? What did I just watch? What? See fast. Second half. What the fuck are you? What's that, Ram? What's that? You win the ball like Miguel field, throw no attack two defenders, and you try kick the ball from the top of the wax, pass ball going man. See fast. You get a ricochet, kick the ball one time and I go now. You stop it, try the man him get in front of the block it that. What are you doing? What the fuck? What are you do, brother? What are you guys doing, fam? You man were shit for the first half, and then the second half you were equally shit. I don't know what. See, me cool. Then I'm basement cool as fuck. I'm try watch a game, and me tell you the truth, brother. I'm telling you the honest truth, fam. I don't know. I can't watch Jamaica play football. How the fuck are we gonna go into World Cup qualifiers like this? We drop out in the first round of the Gold Cup party. First round of the Gold Cup. A joke thing. Brother, I cannot understand for the life of me why Jamaica play football like that today. Oh, I know why. Steve McLaren, who was in the gulag, in the gully, before Eric Ten Hag bring come Manchester United a couple years ago. He was in the gutter. Not can't find nobody for coach. Barely get a job somewhere, and Eric Ten Hag bring him up out of the gutter. Say, yeah, come coach me team because you used to Manchester United. Me used to coach you there over Netherlands. So come coach Manchester United, and him go coach Manchester United. And then JFF had the brilliant idea to bring him to come play for Jamaica because Al Grims to leave. So you tell me you couldn't see a young upcoming coach anywhere in the world, someone that is able to coach these players on how to hold on the ball, how to pass the ball, how to make some intricate passes in intricate places of the team, of the field. Why is it that you go bring the man with feel at England? The whole time you get successful when you coach or assistant coach of Manchester United, you feel for England, feel everywhere you go. Feel at Manchester United the second time around, and then come bring him, come coach Jamaica. The man cannot coach, brother. The man is shit. And me, as a Manchester United fan, can tell you, honest to goodness, the man is shit. I've seen other coaches that are worse, yes. But you're telling me you can't stay up on the sideline and see what is wrong with the team. You'd have to go up on the bench for see what go on. On the stands for see what go on. You're telling me that you not see like body you know for up on the blood clot field. You're telling me that you're not supposed to play CFAS until like 20 minutes left in a game. You are telling me that like body you know for in a central defensive midfield. Like body you know for on the field not at all. You're telling me that the only time we have a little control of ball is when time we no bring on the little Rasta boy from Leicester. You can't remember my name. Oh, why? Why is it that Palmer didn't play first 2 games? Why? Fam, Jamaica need to make this World Cup because World Cup in my backyard. That means I try to go anyone everywhere in there. But if you know qualify for this World Cup, matter of fact, me fire the man right now. Get rid of the coach right now. Put the money for somebody else who can develop someone. You know, have 3 months for the next World Cup qualifier. Bring in a proper coach so you can develop someone. You know, if you want to go in a championship for your coach, whoever you want to go bring in a coach, man. Because they're not too much half decent footballers for you can't put them together and make a proper team to play against Panama, Guatemala. Brother, listen. Jamaica need to make the World Cup. Jamaica need to make the fucking World Cup. And the way it's going right now, it looks so. It doesn't look good. It nah look good. JFF, do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.